Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I have I've traveled with train to another place called Hässleholm in Sweden, and still the southern parts of Sweden, which is kind of cool. So this is my first video that I'm not in my hometown. So today I'm going to do a quick unboxing on a new this red variant of the JBL Xtreme, and then I'm going to do a comparison with another JBL Xtreme and two AnkerSoundcoreMotionpluses. So hopefully you'll enjoy. I don't know if this is charged or not, so maybe it will become 1-to-1, like one Xtreme versus one AnkerSoundcore, or maybe I can go home and charge it up and make another video. But we'll see about that. But yeah, let's start off with the unboxing. It said that this was brand new, but this is actually a showcase speaker. It's the kind of speaker that when you come into a store and you look at the products, yeah, this speaker, they pretty much sold every single one of these Xtremes. Excuse me. They pretty much sold every one of these. So yeah, this is one of the last ones in Sweden that you can buy from Amazon, the Swedish Amazon, but not anywhere else, what I can tell. So yeah, a red one. It was I wanted a black, and I wanted a black or a blue one, but unfortunately they had only the red one in stock. So I took that for a good price, of course, like 150 euros, I think it went for. Yeah, 150 euros, so that's great. Let's see. I know that this is not the case for many other countries, that you can still buy these in many other ones, but not in. It's not as easy in Sweden. Okay, 15 hours of battery life. It got a 10,000 milliampere battery with 3.6 volts. So I don't know, maybe like 36 watts or something. And IPX7 waterproof. You can have this submerged under 1 meter, or is it a half meter water on 30 seconds for 30 minutes. And then USB charge out. I don't recommend using this as a power bank at all. Buy a power bank if it's, oh shit, what happened there? If you have a power, buy just a separate power bank, because this will drain the battery life and make your speaker less powerful. And the speakers in general does not, or batteries, lithium batteries, does not age well. So having them under more pressure is not good. So don't use that. And of course JBL Connect Plus. So this is not going. They already seals are already opened. So yeah, let's get in here. Of course, here we have the speaker. Yeah, I can see that there's actually quite a bit of dust on it. I should probably dust the speaker off when I come home. So I guess it's a little bit unfair if they call this a new speaker. I don't know. It has probably been sitting on a shelf for quite a long while. So I guess it hasn't been used, right? But maybe someone have tried it or something. Yeah. It looks kind of cool with the I don't know, the look of this chain here. It's a little bit pinkish, I would say, not red actually. I like that. That's actually cool. Let's take out the speaker. It's JBL Xtreme 2s in general are pretty heavy. I don't really know why, but they are pretty heavy. Let's see what kind of version it is afterwards. Of course, you get this power adapter included. Yeah, nice sealed and everything. And here we have the manual. And on the other side, well, yeah, the strap, of course, is included here. Let's just open everything up. I don't mind this at all, even though it will take some time to pack everything together when I eventually need to move on. Okay, I destroyed the package, nice. I don't like that, but what can you do? Forests, my wildebeest. Let's see here. This is quite unfortunate, it's not a red strap that's included, of course, with the bottle opener there on the side. Of course I will take everything with me, all the packaging materials, and then never leave anything out in the forest. That is literally so bad for the environment in general. Oh, how do you open this? Oh yeah, there. And of course the included power cable here. Very nice. And the other one, the UK one. There we have it. So that's it, the manual, power adapter, and yeah, cables, of course. Let's see. Please have it. Battery. Please. No! It doesn't have battery. No, please. No, it doesn't. It's dead. I guess it's kind of reasonable though that it's dead, because I guess it would be kind of weird. I guess it's understandable if it has been sitting on a shelf, but hopefully the battery isn't dead, because otherwise I need to return the speaker. That would be super unfortunate, because I really wanted a second Xtreme 2. Would be nice. So definitely need to fix this up. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty on different sides, but it's a nice color indeed. So I'll get back to you, and then I'll do a comparison of an Xtreme 2 and an AnkerSoundcoreMotionplus. Just two though, just 1 versus 1. I would love to do 2 versus 2, but I can do that in another video, of course, if you guys would like to. So be right back. Hi guys, and welcome to a continuation of part 1. Yeah, and this is a comparison of the Xtreme 2 and the AnkerSoundcoreMotionplus. Unfortunately, I can't do 2 versus 2 comparison because, you know, it doesn't have any battery life, as I said before. So that's kind of sad, if I shall be honest. So one of those videos will come up a later stage, I guess. But yeah, here we have them, and the Anker is playing with a custom EQ, or my custom EQ, so it will play louder. With other words, I recommend, if you get the Anker, always use the EQ. It sounds so much better. Of course, if you push the EQ, or you know, drag all the fields up to maximum volume or whatever, it can get a little bit distorted, as you will hear in this video, and it does get a small distortion. But otherwise, it plays so much better, so much more bass, more clarity, much more treble. It sounds so much better. And yeah, the Xtreme doesn't have any EQ, sadly enough. So yeah, it's playing with the neutral settings, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, before I play, I just want to show you some, you know, nature stuff. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. You know, this yeah. When they cut down a lot of trees, like the swamp nature that it builds up around it, it's actually kind of cool. It's entirely new ecosystem, if you will. So pretty cool place actually, deep in a forest and open grounds. Hopefully there is a little bit of wind, so yeah, of course that might make the recording a little bit worse, I guess, but it's not that much, so hopefully it will be fine. Hopefully. Okay, they will both... this is a maximum volume test, so I will play around 3 songs and then go around at different areas and see how they perform, and then make a summary of both of the speakers. So let's begin with a song. I'm gonna start with Entropy. Entropy. I don't know how to say that, but I'll leave a link in the description for the songs that I'm using. So let's begin. The anchor is starting. Xtreme 2 playing. Also max volume. Anchor playing. Xtreme 2. Anchor playing. I'm gonna go to this side and listen. Now we're from the side and it's still the anchor playing. Xtreme 2. Anchor playing. I'm gonna switch song now to a song called Steeper from Ash O'Connor and Curbi. Anchor playing. Kinda insane how much bass it got from that size and the volume as well. Xtreme 2. Anchor. Xtreme 2. Anchor. Now I'm gonna go a little bit closer to them. from the in front of them. And hopefully I won't turn deaf. Would be nice. Still the anchor playing. There is some distortion, but that can be fixed by turning down the EQ. Xtreme 2.
To the bass line.
Anchor. Xtreme 2. And now for one last song called Game Time, made by Debris and Jonth. I'm gonna link all of these 3 songs down below. Still the Xtreme 2. I'm gonna go a little bit further now, further back. Xtreme 2 still playing. Anchor. So this is about 10 meters, maybe more. It's hard to say actually. (10, 15? No, not 15, 10 meters. Xtreme 2. I would say that it's pretty mild outside and there's not a lot of wind, so they can cover those kinds of spaces. But if you add a lot of people that are talking and whatnot, then it might become difficult for them to reach everyone. But you can feel some bass from the Xtreme 2, which is nice. Anchor. Xtreme 2. yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching as always, and hope you have a nice continued day. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, and if you want to, you can see another one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.